folks, I have a beautiful little ukulele to show you today. This one, it's been a long trip with this instrument. It's been a lot of hard work. The beginning of this project comes from us going to Camp Westman a couple years ago, and our friend Duncan helped us harvest and salvage and split an Alaskan yellow cedar log that was on the beach. Very old tree that had floated in probably from Vancouver Island. And so this top and this neck blank are that Alaskan yellow cedar. And I've got a lot more of it. It's going to take a lot longer to dry, but right when we did the project, I did split and saw and mill a small segment of it that I brought into the shop right away so it could get drying as fast as possible. And this is the first pieces that are useful. So the neck is made from this yellow cedar, and so is the top. And I think it's a good mixture between cedar and spruce. It's got a bright, snappy tone, but it's delicious to hear, easy to work with. I like the creamy color, and this is really fine grain example. So to go along with it, we've got our grafted walnut from the stump that we harvested from Xenoforest Products in Salem. So this was from some orchard trees that were on the back end of their property, and we got the grafted stump. So it's got two different kinds of walnut in it, and there's a lot more of this to come. It's still drying, but we got this one set ready to go, and it's just awesome. So I used some myrtle binding for the top and back, and it's got bird's foot purfling here on the top, walnut for fretboard and head plate, a little more of that graft right there, myrtle binding on here, brass fret markers. It's a nice little alto instrument. Yeah, it's fun. So this is a stock instrument for right now. We're bringing it to the band camp. We're teaching it this week, and we'll see if it's available after that. This is number 683. Cheers.